Hello, today I want to show you these beautiful silver rings made in Gdansk, Poland, the city of amber, and all of these rings made by amber in different ages and different color shades, as you see, because amber has age. So the green one is the youngest one, and then when the colors goes more brown, it will be older and older. I am Maral, and here is my jewelry store, Jewelry Land. This is oval shape. I like the design. This neck is adjustable ring with the amber head. I like this design, looks vintage with the flower, and I like the shape of the ring, it's so beautiful, you see. So, how did you like this amber silver ring collection? And which shade of amber is more in your favorite? The green one, the yellow one, or the brown one? Young, middle age, or the old one? So comment below and let's keep in touch. Till next time, so much love is always here.